matchmaking error. Tar symptoms: unable to join a match. Matchmaking error message appears. Stuck on the matchmaking screen. Matchmaking takes too long. Return to the lobby after searching for a match. Fix 1. Check Fortnite server status. Steps: check if Fortnite servers are online. Wait if there is scheduled maintenance. Try matchmaking again once servers are available. Fix 2. Restart Fortnite. Steps: close Fortnite completely. End the game process if it's still running. Launch Fortnite again. Try joining a match. Fix 3. Restart your device. Steps: close all running applications, restart your PC or console, open Fortnite again. Fix 4. Check your internet connection. Steps: restart your modem or router, use a stable internet connection, disconnect any VPN or proxy, try matchmaking again. Fix 5. Verify game files. Steps: open the Epic Games launcher. Go to your library. Click the 3 dots next to Fortnite, select Manage, click Verify. Wait for the verification to complete. Fix 6. Update Fortnite steps. Open the Epic Games launcher, check for available updates, install the latest version, restart the game. Fix 7. Change matchmaking region steps. Open Fortnite settings, go to the Game tab, change the matchmaking region to another nearby region. Save the settings, try joining a match again. Fix 8. Disable background application steps, close unnecessary applications, disable Discord overlay, disable Xbox Game Bar, restart Fortnite. Fix 9. Allow Fortnite through firewall steps. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Allow Fortnite and Epic Games Launcher through the firewall. Restart the game. Fix 10. Reinstall Fortnite. Steps: uninstall Fortnite. Restart your device. Download the latest version from Epic Games. Install Fortnite. Launch the game and test matchmaking.